I love these summer trends. I follow them, bohemian style. And then I'm realizing, who cares? Of course I can. We're gonna cut it. Perfetto. Salad is not, but you are hot. Welcome to my weekly sessions of recipes talking about life and fashion. How to get more protein from the salad and what are summer trends these days? If you wonder, you are in the right place. Today we're gonna cook chicken pesto arugula salad. That's your source of protein, and we're gonna talk about summer trends. As you see, I'm all dressed up in the summer trends, and if you're wondering if I'm gonna cook in these gloves, absolutely no, they are Valentino, are you kidding me? So I'm gonna take them off. And first summer trend is vintage prints like this one, polka dots, or the other one my husband called a tablecloth I was wearing the other day. It's like red, white squares, but these are the summer trends, vintage prints you're supposed to wear this summer, and don't listen to your husband. Sometimes it's not a good idea, no. I love these summer trends. I follow them religiously. So already told you about the vintage print trends, and the other super hot girl summer trend is bohemian style. I love it. I think it's gonna be still as a trend for maybe another year or maybe two. I love it so much because it gives me, I just woke up from the bed wearing my very nice lacy outfit and just going for breakfast. Very light, very summery. That's the second one. Make a note, please. So, the salad, we're gonna need arugula for sure. The second ingredient is chicken. Okay, just make sure to slide them thin. We need very, very thin pieces. Okay, another summer trend I love this summer is sheer dresses. I think it's now so popular and nobody cares. Like sometimes I think, oh, can I wear this sheer dress to the dinner? And then I'm realizing, who cares? Of course I can. To make the chicken breast even softer, here is a hammer, and also great way to relieve your hidden anger. I put the cover on it so it don't get on my dress, but really when you do it, just think about your ex. Oh, this feels so good, really, like relief. Okay, the chicken is ready. Thin, nicely sliced. And the next ingredient we're gonna add to the chicken before we fried it, it's gonna be pesto. I used to hate pesto, but now I love it. I think it's such a good idea. You basically have just olive oil, pine nuts, basil, and Parmesan cheese in it. And I would say it's so healthy. Okay, the next trend of the summer is going to be the asymmetric and drape dresses. I love it. As you can see, whole asymmetric going on here. And yeah, that's what you're gonna see all it girls wearing this summer. So don't forget to thank me by liking this video and making comment. Maybe tell me what is your favorite trend. Maybe I forgot something. Okay, we're gonna fry it a little bit, very little. By the way, I never thought that chicken and pesto go so well together until I tried the salad, and it is. Believe me, I think it's a great idea to mix it together, to fry it, and maybe have pasta on the side. But we are girls, we have to think about our carbs intake, so we're gonna make it with a salad. Our chicken is ready. While it's cooling out, I'm gonna cut some artichoke. It's an important ingredient in the salad. You know, Italians, they put artichoke everywhere. We're gonna cut it. I think if you don't like artichoke, you probably can just put any veggies, marinate it. Okay, artichoke goes in. Time to cut the chicken. I mean, count all of the protein you're gonna get from this salad. I think it's such a good dish. That's actually what I would do. Like in the evening, if I don't want to cook, if I have just for myself, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Very simple, quick, yet healthy and nutritious. Okay. Chicken goes in. For the dressing, we're gonna do some lemon. Olive oil. Pepper. And salt. Okay, let me try this. It looks delicious. I already smell Italy in this plate. Perfetto.